It's easy to say, and then I forget the lines, right? I'm in the beautiful city of Denver, where Old Man Winter has reminded us just how quickly the weather here can change. This mile-high city is home to a diverse economy, while offering nature at its doorstep. Today we're going to explore how attractive a dynamic career can be in multifamily as we walk a mile in the shoes of the on-site teams. Join me as we get back to work. I'm Terry Danner, and after spending 30 years in the multifamily industry, I believe that our on-site teams are the everyday unsung heroes. They make it look easy to get hard stuff done, and they're consistently working to keep our communities safe. Most of the world is getting back to work after quarantine, but our on-site teams never stopped working. That's why I'm on a mission from coast to coast to find the people that are stepping up in difficult times. During this series, we're going to talk about best practices and how teams are adapting to new challenges. I may even get a little dirty along the way. So join me as we learn about the tough stuff that keeps our industry moving and celebrate the people behind it. Let's get back to work. Denver is known for its access to the great outdoors, providing a quality of life to its residents and a never-ending list of things to keep them busy. When people look for a place to call home, Denver provides a dynamic lifestyle that fits nearly any interest. Here to tell me more about Denver and the multifamily industry here is Troy Porras with the Apartment Association of Metro Denver's Board of Directors.
Hey Terry, welcome to Denver. Here in Denver, the multifamily industry contributes more than $39 billion to the local economy. A big part of that is people moving in, and not only do we need residents and people to live, but we also need people to work in the industry. And so here at the Apartment Association of Metro Denver, we're always working on things we can do to help bring great people into the industry.
Many of us have worked our way up in the industry as it offers so much to learn and provides so many opportunities. Today I'm off to see where the magic happens on site. The Cardinal team at 5151 Downtown Littleton is going to show me just how much fun a career in multifamily can be.
Hey Terry, welcome. Welcome to 5151 here in Littleton, Colorado. It's great to see you.
Hey Alex, great to see you again. Honored to have the CEO of Cardinal welcome me here today.
Oh, well, thank you, and on behalf of the over 1,700 team members at Cardinal around the country, we just wanted to thank you. Thank you for featuring us here and for just showing the rest of the industry what Cardinal's all about. And I think that the culture really exists between people, so it's all about finding the right people. And Cardinal Group's stated mission has been to be the best place to work in any industry for anyone.
I know that's a big initiative not only for management companies but for the National Apartment Association as well. And this industry truly provides so many opportunities for pretty much everyone. So
much opportunities for growth and really to be impactful and to make a difference, not just within your own company, but to people's lives. And I think that's really been highlighted in 2020. And we have so many amazing examples of that at Cardinal Group. And I'm excited for you to meet one, which is our community manager here, Gina Washington. So I wanted to introduce you to Gina.
Hi Terry.
Hello Gina, how are you?
Pleasure to meet you. Welcome to 5151 Downtown Littleton. Just to give you a little bit of background, I've been in the business for 20 years. I had an opportunity to meet some amazing people along the way and working for a great company such as Cardinal Group. Thank you, Alex. I have a fun day planned for both of you guys to showcase how dynamic this industry is, so let's get to work. So today we're going to be talking about how to prep for 2021 budget, and there's several factors that I equate when I create the budget. This is something we do as a property manager. We literally plan, not just fourth quarter. I personally plan my budget throughout the year. Identify different categories that I could increase or need to decrease and why. And so I have a little quiz for you guys because occupancy, of course, is very, very important to most. And typically we like to stabilize at 95%. So my property is 350 apartment homes. And currently I have 325 units that are occupied. Please calculate what our current occupancy is as of today. I'm gonna give you guys 30 more seconds.
What?
Do you need any assistance, Alex?
No, I'm going to figure this out.
I consider myself to be very good at math. Wait a minute. No, I got it wrong.
Oh, he's looking at mine. Come on, Gina, let's go.
No, I'm not.
Okay. So 3, 2,
No.
1. Perfect. So let's see, 92.85 occupancy. Who got it right?
He did.
Awesome, Alex.
Thank you.
Perfect, great
Appreciate
job.
it.
Because we're 92.85% occupied currently, but my budget calls for 95%. How many move-ins do I need to achieve 95% occupancy? You guys will have a couple minutes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Alex, what did you come up with?
I had 7.5 leases, so we need 8 move-ins.
Perfect. Terry?
7.5 as well. I don't know how we get to 7.5.
Well, wonderful, great job. And the last one I have is another thing that's very important to us that I'm sure we talk about on a regular basis is per square footage that we collect. My property is market rent average is $1,662, and the average square footage is 955. Please calculate per square footage for the property.
Holy crap, long division is hard.
3, 2, 1. Okay, Alex, what did you come up with?
$1.70 a foot.
Wait,
Very close. So it's going to be $1.74. So we have another fun project outside for you guys. As you know, curb appeal and attention to detail is very, very important to us. And quite often, common areas get overlooked, such as light bulbs out and overgrown bushes or debris in the hallways, which is obviously hindering our residents' enjoyment. Okay, Alex and Terry, so here's our next task. So we have placed 10 balloons starting from this point through the breezeway between the flower pots there. There's first, second, and third level. Whoever get the most balloons obviously will win. Guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go! How important it is to apply attention to detail. And I don't just mean outside as far as the exterior or the common grounds. We're dealing with housing for our residents. It is imperative that we are very mindful of the service that we offer to them. Woo! Look at Terry go.
He's a little more spry than I expected. Oh my gosh! Hold on. Okay, he doesn't have them all. Oh my gosh. Terry, I was not expecting you to move that quick. I knew I needed to get upstairs, but I fell for the one under the steps.
Terry, how many do you have? Oh my goodness.
getting one, but missing all the other opportunities that were further up.
Over here somewhere.
Get all the easy ones, Gina.
We gotta look up. You know, most people don't look vertical.
Terry was much more spry than I expected, certainly. Oh, man!
Great job, you guys.
Oh, wow.
Great job, Terry.
That home court advantage did not help me.
He's the math guy.
Great job, Terry, on finding out those balloons, and Alex.
More Terry, but yes.
Well, another major important thing, what we do in multifamily, obviously we could not do our job or do anything day to day without our amazing maintenance team members. I want to introduce you to Juan, partly because, we address smoke detectors going off at 2 in the morning, and our maintenance team is happy to address those and to ensure that our residents are satisfied. So we have another little mini maintenance mania where Juan is going to showcase how to change the smoke detector. We can't do our job without the maintenance team who make everything function the way things are designed, upkeep the property. Again, curb appeal is probably number one next to customer service.
So you're gonna grab these, put on the CO detector, you're gonna remove the smoke detector, you're gonna replace it with a new one, and then you're gonna take off this lockbox. The combination is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 4, 3, 2, 1. Either way, and then you're gonna take this away with you and then just set it aside as fast as you can.
And what's a good time for this event, Juan?
Anywhere between 4 and 10 seconds.
Okay. I better win this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Hey! Hey, trained by the best right here. Trained by the best. Here, Terry, let me help you out here. Come on.
I didn't complete the task at all at the end of the day because I couldn't get that darn lock open.
I'd like to thank.
That doesn't open.
Hey, I'd like to thank all my fans. I'd like to thank Terry.
All works.
No doubt someone who's just always positive, loves her team, loves her residents. I think Gina's passion and just her heart for people just make her such like a deserving person to get this recognition and to be included.
We appreciate the hard work that you're doing. And you are living proof that there's great opportunity in the multifamily industry.
Yeah, and Gina, I just wanted to say thank you. It's just amazing to see someone who's been so successful yet has remained so humble, so determined. The things that really make Cardinals culture come to life in terms of our core value, and someone who, despite any challenges that you've dealt with personally and professionally, you've always overcome them and you always do the right thing. So thank you for representing not just Cardinal, but this industry. And it's truly just inspiring to see you in action, so thank you so much.
And we've also brought some friends who also would like to recognize you. First, Melissa with Grace Hill.
Hi Gina, well we're just so excited to celebrate with you today and thank you for everything that you do here at this property and for Cardinal and for our industry. And on behalf of Grace Hill, we want to present you with a scholarship to continue your education.
Oh my gosh, Kat! I work with great talent within Cardinal. So there are many, many great talents and to be selected and to be spotlighted for what we do, what I love to do. Again, it was just an honor, honestly.
Hi, I'm Ed from HD Supply. HD Supply is very excited to be involved with this whole project around careers in multifamily. And we have a gift for you today to thank you for all your hard work on the project. And that's an iPad, so have fun with it.
Oh my gosh, thank you. I love the fact that my property is showcased and my team members. So I don't want to be just like showcasing me because again, I'm just here guiding my team. It's really my team who makes me successful.
How essential and how important she is, and how many people that live here, that work at this company, that rely on her, that rely on what she does to make this community go, to make this company go. And I just love that she was being recognized for that.
What a day. The multifamily industry is truly dynamic, offering so much to those who choose it as a career. Alex and I got only a small taste of what goes into a single day in the life of a community manager. But there's truly something for everyone. I know we all look forward to attracting new talent to the industry and doing all that we can to have them call a career in multifamily home. Join me next time as we get back to work.
Did you know that the industry here contributes more than $39 billion to the economy?
I didn't. What a day. The multifamily industry is truly dynamic. What a day. The multifamily industry is truly dynamic. What a day. The multifamily industry is truly dynamic. Alex and I got only a small What a day. The multifamily industry is truly dynamic, offering so much to those who choose it as a career. Alex and I got